Welcome to LFA's video on changing your RTP9 lower pressure cam. Over time your lower roller cam will begin to wear, which will eventually damage your tooling and affect your tablets. First we need to remove the lower punches. To remove the lower punches we first need access to the bottom section of the machine. Take the two keys that come with the RTP9 and place them into the slots on the side panels and turn. This will release the panels. Next we push the small puck up and take it out. This will allow us to take the lower punches out through the bottom. Now gently pull the punch down through the hole, being sure you're holding it firmly so it doesn't fall and get damaged. We now rotate the turret by hand using the hand wheel to the next station and remove the punch from there, and continue this until all the punches have been removed. Now to remove the lower roller cam, you'll need a ratchet set with an extension bar to undo the four 14mm bolts. Pull out the fill depth knob on the front of the machine and then pull out the lower roller cam housing. Now remove the lower roller from the housing and replace with your new roller. When reinserting the housing, replace it at an angle so it engages the switch. On the front of the machine, pull out the fill depth knob so you can replace the housing and then reinsert the fill depth knob into its correct position. Replace the 14mm bolts and tighten as much as possible without using a breaker bar. Now we can start to reinsert our lower tooling. When doing this we need to be careful with the tips of the punches as they're fragile. Take a punch and insert it through the lower hole carefully and up into the die. Whilst doing this, rotate the machine by hand slowly whilst being careful with your fingers. Turn to the next station and repeat the process till all the punches are in place. On your final punch, push it up higher to reinsert the puck to ensure the lower punch won't fall out. After doing this, do a couple of full rotations by hand to see if the punches are running smoothly. Once all your tooling is in place, it's important to run the machine by hand before turning this on. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.